In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Google Slides step by step. This is an incredibly useful skill to have if you want to enhance your presentations and make them visually appealing. So let's dive right in. First, we need to make our way over to Google Slides. Just head to the Google Slides website in your web browser. If you haven't signed in already, make sure you do so with your Google account. This step is crucial because it gives you access to all the features and ensures your progress is saved in real time. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see options to either start a new presentation with a blank slide or select a pre-existing template to get you started. If you're more comfortable starting from scratch, go ahead and click on blank presentation. Alternatively, if you're looking for something a bit more structured or visually detailed from the outset, feel free to pick a template that suits your needs. Now comes the part where we actually bring in the curve effect to your text. This involves using an external tool, as Google Slides itself doesn't have a built-in feature for directly curving text. One popular approach is to utilize a curve text generator. This is where you'll take a brief detour to one of the many online text shape generators available. A quick search for curve text generator will present you with numerous options. These tools are generally straightforward to use. You just type in the text you want curved, define the parameters for the curvature, like the radius or angle, and let the tool generate your newly styled text. Once you've generated the curved text, you'll need to save or download it as an image file. This is usually done with an option provided by the tool itself, like download as PNG or save as image. Remember to save the file in a high resolution format to ensure that it appears clear and crisp when you import it back into Google Slides. Returning to Google Slides, all you need to do now is upload the saved curved text image. Simply go to the slide where you want to insert this image, click on Insert in the top menu, then select Image. From there, either drag and drop the file or use the upload function to bring in your curved text. Position and resize this image on your slide to ensure it fits seamlessly with your presentation's layout. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can enrich your Google Slides presentation with beautifully curved text, adding both style and sophistication. This technique is perfect for headers, titles, or any text you want to stand out. I hope you found this video helpful and feel prepared to incorporate curved text into your own projects. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.